Hi everyone. So in this video I will be sharing my morning skincare routine and we will start with the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This cleanser has a very simple and uncomplicated formula. This is so good. This is really good. It's a very good cleanser for sensitive skin. I'm not sure if it will work on acne prone skin or an oily skin, but it surely works for normal skin, combination skin, and for dry skin, and it's a god cleanser for sensitive skin. So I am cleansing my face for about 1 minute and then wash it off with water. So for toner, I'm using Good Vibes Pomegranate Toner. This is for hydrating my skin and it works really well for my skin. And I'm not using any serum because I don't have a time in the morning. I'm so in a rush every single morning. So that's it. After this, I will be using a moisturizer. This is Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. It feels so light on your skin and so gentle on your skin, and it absorbs so easily and quickly. And I always like to take a little bit more products so I can massage it on my face, so it can have like morning face massage every day. You don't have to run to the salons and all, so you can do a facial if you do a just 2 to 3 minutes of massage. So this moisturizes for all skin type. Really it's for all skin types. It absorbs so quickly, so you can use for any skin type. Ultimately, for sunscreen, I'm loving Biotic Sandalwood sunscreen. This is a really good sunscreen to wear every day. It doesn't leave any white cast. It really absorbs so quickly like a moisturizer that you can not expect from any sunscreen. But exceptions are always there. So it feels so light and absorbs so quickly. So it's a plus point, and it's really a fresh sunscreen. And that's it. My daytime skincare routine is so simple, so easy that anyone can afford and do. I hope you find this video helpful in some way. If you did, don't forget to give it thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.